Look at this. We about to change this headlight on this Prius. Ugly ass headlight. Look at that. OEM. It's probably gonna look good if you like polish it, make it more clear. But I want it blacked out. So these ain't it. It's chrome, all that shit. So let's change these. Bumper has to come off. So okay, as you see, I got the Prius on the ramps. The bumper has to come off, like I said. So let's put the hood up and start this shit. So make sure you know which bulb you have on the headlight, because some is halogen, some is HID. Know the difference. So when you order the aftermarket headlight, you don't get the wrong one. Okay? Even if you get the wrong one, you could just get that bulb and just convert it. So don't matter, don't really matter. But anyways, you see I got the LED in there. You can barely see it because it's yellowing, you know. So let's start this. All right, let's remove the bumper. Let's start with the top since we're here. Pop this up. This. This is a screw. Ooh, it's not gonna come off. That's not good. Might have to force that off. Sheesh. Let's see. Since this is hard to come out, this screw, so I'm gonna just use a vise to just turn it. Okay, I'm gonna have to put something else there because this clearly not good. All right, so I'm gonna do both sides like this and we'll continue. Now let's remove these 10 millimeters. It's down here. There's one there. They're all across here, so let's remove those. Or you can remove this whole thing. This whole thing gotta come off if you want to remove the whole thing. This off. Okay. And this side. Okay. Okay. Now let's do this one. Damn, you probably didn't have to take these right here off, because actually you do. You do have to take it off. Okay. Now let's do this one. This one there, one on the other side. Okay. Okay. Other side. Here. Okay. Now you gotta remove, well, slide this back so we could get to the bolts that's in here. Okay. Okay, you see this is 10 millimeter right there. Let's take that off. Okay, so the other side, to this side, here, so not bad. Make sure you disconnect your fog lights, because that's gonna be in the way. Okay, 10 mil up there. Now let's remove the bumper. Snap off. Okay. So there's bolts under here we have to take off. Just bend this back. Splash shield back. So let's just remove these bolts we got up here. Oh shit, that broke. Okay. Okay, that came off. See this come off. That's not gonna come off. Okay, that broke. I gotta put my own screw there. Fuck it. There. One. Here. And one here. Whole thing gotta drop. This whole lip looking thing has to drop. Man, I was trying to leave that on there, but whatever. Alright, now let's take off the bumper. Go. Make sure you don't lose the clips that's here. Or break it. Damn it. Alright. Screw right here. 10 mil. Another 10 mil up here. Okay, here's the bottom one, not this one. This is the one. It's right here. Now, just come off. Now let's disconnect these connectors. There's one here, one for the bulb, and one for the parking light. Well, signal light. Take that off. One here. The last one down here. I just twisted that off. Alright. Oh yeah, there's one here. Black one here. Okay. Now let's take the other one. This is the musty light here. Alright, as you see, look at that ugly headlight compared to this one. Okay, as you see, big difference. Blacked out, chromed out. Depends whatever you like. I like this one. Alright, that's what we're gonna install. So we're gonna swap everything over. Okay, so I don't want to scratch the lens, so I'm gonna just put a mat there. This one I don't really care about. But put it like this so you can see what I'm doing. Like everything going to switch over pretty much. Okay. Like twist that off, put it there, twist that off, put it there, take the headlight, put it there, put everything that you see here, original, put it back here. Alright, so I'm gonna just show you a fast mode, me doing it. Not gonna really explain because you'll see what I'm doing. So it's not working out with the headlight. So the one I got, okay, like I was saying, you see how this is different than this one? Way different. This is the H4, and this is HID, look like the D2R bulb looking bulb. So that's the HID bulb. So I'm gonna have to do extra and just swap everything, like the lens and the housing over. Alright, I'm gonna swap everything over and just keep this part here. Everything else gonna be black. This gonna still be chrome. If you want to do that, that's on you. I'm gonna swap everything over and you'll see when I'm done. Alright, so let me do that real quick. Okay, so this is an example here. You see how I keep this here? And I'm gonna put this back here, everything else back here. I'm not using a chrome, the top one. I have a black one over here that I'm using. I'm gonna put that up here. Okay, so basically, yeah, I'm gonna swap the interior over, then basically put it back. Alright. As you see, it got dark out. This wasn't the plan, but it is what it is. As you see, I swapped it over. So black housing, I still kept the inside chrome. The one before, it had a, right here, the inside floor, it was black. So I just kept it chrome. I don't even care. So just put this back, and yeah, same way we took it off, we're gonna put it back. And then tomorrow I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, now let's put everything back together how it was. This is it right here. That's how it came out. I don't know how the aftermarket fits, but this one fit same thing as OEM. Since we swapped just the housing inside. Alright. This is how it came out. As you see, looks pretty much the same. It's just the inside of here is not black. That floor on the aftermarket is black. So that doesn't really bother me as long as this is black. Okay, and not chrome. So this looks much better. Put the parking light on. As you see. Show you when it signals. That's how it signals. As you see. Then as soon as I turn it off, it's back to white. Let me show you. Pretty sure if I had some more time with this, I could have made this a little better. Put better rings in there. Probably put a small ring up here too. A little small one. But this is what I had in stock, so it is what it is. This is good though. Nothing all crazy. And so that was it. So I helped you out. Give me a like and subscribe.